Welcome to the Seville Reports Weekly Wrap-Up, where we take a look at a few of the biggest stories that impacted the financial markets over the past week. I apologize for missing the weekly wrap-up last week. Last week was a crazy time in the markets. Let's start with the markets. After 2 dismal weeks, the markets have bounced back nicely this week, but we're still not out of the woods. This week could be the relief pop before the second big fall. So if you're investing, make sure you love what's in your portfolio, and if you're trading, stay alert. The S&P closed the week up at 2732. The Dow Jones also closed up for the week at 25,219, and the Nasdaq closed up for the week at 7239. On to stocks. Cisco Systems reported earnings this week. The company posted an $8.8 billion loss as a result of an $11 billion charge to tax reform. They also raised their dividend and launched a $25 billion buyback program. Under Armour reported quarterly earnings of $1.37 billion, a 4% increase year over year. This beat analyst estimate by $60 million. Now Wall Street's asking, is Under Armour back? Chipotle named a new CEO, Brian Niccol. The market reacted favorably to the news. Chipotle stock increased by 15% after the news came out, and if you think you've heard that name before, you probably have. Brian Niccol was the former CEO of Taco Bell. Amazon announced plans to launch a delivery service that'll compete with UPS, FedEx, and the United States Postal Service. This news sent both UPS and FedEx stocks sliding. Amazon's shipping cost for 2017 was $21.7 billion. Amazon has made this threat before about doing their own shipping thing. Maybe this time they get serious. Shak reported earnings, beating the street's expectation on revenue and earnings per share. The company reported $96 million in revenue for the quarter versus the street estimate of $92.9 million. And earnings per share came in at 10 cents versus the street expectation of 6 cents. TripAdvisor's earnings report shocked the street as the company reported $321 million in revenue for the quarter, beating expectations by $8.8 million. But the company did miss on their earnings per share. Investors showed their love for the report by buying up Trip shares, causing the stock to gap up almost 13% the day after their earnings release. In crypto news, the value of Bitcoin has been on a rally since February 5th. The cryptocurrency has retaken its 200-period moving average as well as its 10 and 20-period moving average, all bullish signs for the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is currently trading at $10,537. The US dollar continues to fall but did see a rally on Friday. Crude oil fell below the $60 per barrel level this week, but was able to end the week at $61.68. A big winner for the week is MuleSoft Incorporated, MULE, which is up over 29% from last Friday's close. A big loser for the week, Pacira Pharmaceutical, PCRX, which dropped over 18% on Friday. Thank you for checking out the weekly wrap-up. This channel and website are dedicated to anyone who wants to start investing but isn't sure where or how to start. If you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment below. Like and subscribe. May your next investment be your best investment.